Welcome to this video on borrowing and returning a book from the University Library. First of all, we'll look at how to borrow a book. Once you've found the book you need, take it to a self-issue machine. Self-issue machines can be found on the ground floor. When you're ready, click Borrow. Then tap your campus card under the screen near the Borrow a Card sticker. Place your books on the shelf under the screen. Check all the items appear in the list on the screen and then press Done. You should receive a receipt via email to tell you when your books are due for return. Please do be aware that some books could be recalled earlier if they're needed by someone else. So remember to check your emails just in case so that you don't incur a fine. Next, I'm going to show you your options when it comes to returning your book. You can return your book via the book drop. On White Knights campus, the book drop is found to the right-hand side of the main doors to the library. There's also a book drop in building L24 on London Road. However, books returned from this book drop may take a while to register as returned on your account. Whilst we do backdate returns by a few days, you may find that an automatic overdue and fine email has come through to you in that time. If you are concerned about this, it may be better to return your book to the university's main library. When the library is open, you can also use the book sorter to return books. This is located behind the central staircase in the ground floor lobby. Just place your books into the slot one at a time.